guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in my bedroom because I need to go through all of my clothes again. I did a minimalist and declutter of all of my clothes, but I need to do it again. There's a whole pile right there. That's just like some laundry, and that's actually a couple of new things that I bought that I'm actually going to return that I did not like. I'm trying to find a few new pieces to add to my wardrobe, and I'm having the hardest time finding things that I like because I'm so picky now, and if I don't put it on and absolutely love it, it goes back to the store. So if you guys have any good places to shop, let me know. But I also had my husband, before he left for work, take down the two huge, I don't even know how heavy they are, each bin. They're massive. I can weigh them. That's what we'll do. We'll weigh them on the scale. But they're huge and they're filled with clothes. So I'm going to go through those again and be totally ruthless on all of those as well. And then I want to, from what I have, put together like a spring and summer wardrobe and keep that extremely minimal as well. And then I'll share what I decide to keep and that whole thing on another video. But I hope you guys enjoy decluttering and minimalist videos because that's my jam. So I am going through every room in the house and just kind of decluttering and getting through, just going through and getting rid of a ton of stuff everywhere. So it's an ongoing process. I did this, I explained this in another video, but I have a whole decluttering series on my channel. But I did this when I turned 30. Yes, I turned 30 and I went through, I hated all my clothes. I got rid of everything. I had tons of Victoria's Secret stuff and everything said pink or juicy or some garbage like that. It's not garbage, it just wasn't for me. My taste completely changed and I just couldn't stand looking like a walking advertisement for a store. So I bought all new clothes and all of that, and that was it. It was just my journey kind of ended. I went through it, got rid of all my stuff and all of that, but I have realized in listening to books and listening to podcasts and things like that. My dog's going crazy down there. What are you doing? What are you doing down there? What are you looking for? Your bone's downstairs. Go get it. Go get your bone. It's downstairs. It's downstairs. But it is an ongoing process. It's not okay, you've done this once, you've decluttered, you have pared down, and you're done. No. It's an ongoing thing, and you really have to be very intentional about what you bring into your home, which I have been. I have been very good in that regard. But I need to be very ruthless in going through all these clothes. So first I'm gonna go through what is in my closet and in my dresser here, which isn't too much, but then we will go through those tubs. There's probably 50 pounds worth of clothes. It's pretty bad. Well, let's get started. So this is everything in my closet. I really don't have much. This is all of my dresses, and it goes from here to here. And these are two spring jackets that I have. So everything in here I am going to be keeping because it's just a couple of dresses and the few tops and some coats. So I'm gonna keep all of that, and I only have a few pairs of jeans right there. So I think the closet is good for now.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Around, no. But the way you've been giving me time,
too. I took care of everything in the dresser and just neatened it up. I have a few things I got rid of, but there wasn't much in there. But guys, that is over 60 pounds of clothes. That's ridiculous. So we're gonna get rid of 90% of all of them. So let's go.
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
tackling these bins is I am making 3 piles, one of things I have not worn and just still held on to because it was nice or whatever the reason I was holding on to it, and then on a second pile of things I was not sure of, and then a third pile of things I was definitely keeping. And then I actually went through everything again, and then once I brought that maybe pile to my bedroom to hang things up, I got rid of another, I think probably 7 or 8 things that I just said, you know what, I'm really not going to wear them. So I think going through them several times really helped in the process of being able to just get rid of so much.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could
now that I have brought everything into my bedroom, like I said, I'm just kind of going through everything again, and you will see I said, oh, no, and I chucked just a couple of things because I just really realized it was just still too much. So, and actually that blue and white striped shirt, I tried that on the other day and I didn't like it, so I got rid of it. So I just feel like these are things that you just kind of need to keep going through, and if you're like, okay, I haven't worn this, I haven't worn that, just get rid of it. You won't miss it, I promise.
You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive.
This is the tub I am getting rid of, and I just weighed it. It is 36.4 pounds. That's a lot of clothes. All right, so I am done. Now, I am not minimal by like the strict standards of I have 3 pairs of pants to like, I didn't do any of that. I kept what I wear and what I wore, like 'cause I went through my spring and summer stuff, what I wore last year, and then anything I did not wear last year, I got rid of. So I do wear a lot of dresses, and if you couldn't tell, I have a slight Lily Pulitzer obsession. I love all her dresses and all of her stuff. So I wear those all the time in spring and summer. So that is like staples for me, and I love it. So the only thing I put back in that bin, I got it down to 1 bin, is a few pieces that I absolutely love from when I worked at the bank. Like a pair of dress pants, a dress skirt, and a couple other like really nice pieces that I just couldn't get rid of. And I have like some 2 sweatshirts that are like Christmas related, and like 2 t-shirts that are Christmas related. I put those up there, and I put all of my shorts in there, but that's it, because I'm like, I don't need to pull out my shorts now. So I put all of that back up there, but I got rid of 35 pounds worth of clothing. That's a lot of stuff, but that still means I have 30 pounds, so give or take. But I will keep decreasing. I will keep getting rid of stuff. Like I was gonna go shopping and buy some stuff, and now I really don't need to. I have plenty of stuff. There is not one thing I need at all. So that is it. Everything is complete. I will show you guys. I am gonna kind of pull out some spring. Yeah, sorry, I had to help Austin with something. He's doing online school here today. So, but I will kind of do a wardrobe, what I'm keeping and kind of what I'm going to have, and kind of just doing like a little minimalist wardrobe. So like some must-haves if you are like super minimal. So I'm just gonna pull from what I have and make that. So you'll see that coming soon, but I hope you guys enjoy these decluttering and minimalist videos. I feel so good. I'm so glad, and I usually like to do something like Poshmark or something like that, but I couldn't be bothered. It's like I post stuff and then like months later people are like, oh, do you still have that? I'm like, no. I hold on to it for a week or 2 and then I donate it. So I am just going to donate everything to our local shelter and call it a day. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.